Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to schedule units on the Additio application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on this icon in the upper left corner of the screen and click on scheduling and follow up. After that you should tap on the units option, and here you can schedule your units. As you can see, you're selected so you can select your group or class at the top. Here now it's set to history, but if you swipe to the right side you can select your other class as well. If you want to add the new unit, tap on the new unit section and select the date and name of the new session as well. Here are a bunch of sessions that you can schedule, so tap on the relevant one and you can add your title to it, objectives, resources, activities and follow-ups. You can change the date of these sessions by tapping on the edit session button. You can select its title and the date, starting time and so on. So that's how you can keep track of your scheduled sessions. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.